welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here, I believe first time here on Gordon Guitar. D4VD, it's David. And this song is called Dirty Secrets. So we'll work with four actually different bar chords. And it goes in the same way through the entire song. We have one strumming pattern that works for it, so let's start right away. We have first the F sharp minor, and I just want to mention no need for any capo on this one, so we're going clean. The F sharp minor, we will learn that in two different ways. This one is based upon the D string here. This is where you find the F sharp note here on the 4th fret. So you place a bar there on the 4th fret with your index finger, and then the rest will be 6th here on the G string, 7th on B, and 5th on E. This is not your usually not your standard F sharp minor chord. It's a little bit different, and the reason for it is because we are chasing the high notes here. This one. So this is a great chord for this song, but I also want to give you the much easier version of the F sharp minor, and it's up here. So if you think this is a little bit hard to take, this F sharp, we're going to take this F sharp minor chord. So that's a bar now instead on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. So it works well with both these chords. This one is perhaps a little more accurate, okay? So that's the F sharp minor. Then we're going to the C sharp minor. It's still a bar here on the 4th fret, this time over all strings except from the E here in the bass, so 5 strings from bottom up here. And then the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So that's the C sharp minor. Then we are going to D. This one, I take this one as a sus chord, so you place a bar here on the 5th fret from the A string and down, still 5 strings, and then the rest will be 7th on D and 7th on G. So that's the D, and then we are going down here to the B minor. So that's a bar chord, this time placed on the 2nd fret, the bar from the A string and down, still 5 strings from bottom up, and then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. So we have the F sharp minor, the C sharp minor, the D, and the B minor. Alright, so we'll now look at the strumming pattern, and we need to break it into 2 parts. It's pretty long as it is. So we will start with the F sharp minor. We can grab this easier chord version here. So it will be, the first part will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So first a down and a short pause, and then down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the C sharp minor, and you play down, up, 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 down, up. That's part 2. So down, up, short pause, and then up, short pause, and then up, down, up. So together, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up. And then you continue that for D. You're gonna play the part 1 for D in the same way as you played the F sharp. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then you go to the B minor, slide up here, and play part 1 in the same way as you play the C sharp. Down, up, 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 down, up. So slowly, one round sounds like this. yeah, and that's how to play David's Dirty Secrets. So good luck with this one, guys. Play tuned.